Meet the Pinskers hawk eagle, a rare and powerful bird of prey found only in the Philippines, particularly in the forests of Mindanao. Recognized as a distinct species based on scientific studies in taxonomy and genetics, this eagle is known for its striking appearance, especially the prominent crest of feathers on its head that gives it a fierce and regal look. It has a sharp, hooked beak, strong talons, and excellent hunting skills, preying on small mammals, birds, and reptiles within dense forest canopies. Like many forest raptors, it relies heavily on healthy tropical forests to survive. However, ongoing deforestation and habitat loss continue to threaten its population. Pinskers hawk eagle plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance in its ecosystem. Protecting the forests of Mindanao is key to ensuring this crested hunter continues to thrive in the wild.